What's poppin', YouTube?
Using me really saved my health.
Hey y'all, period. We about to go to Starbucks, okay? We about to try the frozen drinks. There's strawberry acai, mango passion fruit, and something else, but I forgot. But we're about to go try it. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. If you're new, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see next, and I got y'all. Let me give y'all a little fit check. Oh, spicy. Okay. But I hope you guys, if you haven't already, let me tell y'all about my EP. My EP just dropped. The numbers are doing crazy great. I love y'all so much. If you haven't already, please go check that out. Okay, I'm gonna put that link in that description. So Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube, whatever you listen to music on, check that out on there. All right, without further ado, let's get to the video. Also, make sure you're following my TikTok, because I'm also going to do a TikTok about this. But this YouTube video is a little more inside about our day, okay? So period. Yes, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Colgate Pop Out. Alright, y'all. So I just got out of that Starbucks line. I have my frozen refreshers right here. Yum, yum, yum. Alright. I'm gonna also set my phone up because, like I said, I'm TikToking too. We getting content out here, okay? Period. So we're gonna chit chat while I try these, and yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so to start this thing off, I'm gonna try what I think will be my favorite. This is the strawberry one, frozen strawberry lemonade. Usually I get this with apple juice, but I forgot, so let's do it. On a hot day, it's definitely given. This one is 10 out of 10 for sure. Okay, let's do that. Let's do this frozen pineapple lemonade. This one ain't looking frozen. It's looking like this, but we're gonna see. Okay. Okay. At first I wasn't sure, but this one is giving like, it could get a 9. It could get a 9.5. It's a 9.5. Last one. This is the mango. I'm not sure what I'm tasting. I'm not really tasting nothing with this one, but it could get a 7 just because. So I hope you guys like that. If you want more reviews, comment down food places you want me to try. Comment down anything you want me to try, and I got y'all, period. Y'all probably thought I was gonna end it there. I was, but I was like, you know what, let me talk to my people. Let me talk to them. So question, what was you guys' favorite song from off the EP if you heard it already? So there's Changes, there's Love Letter, there's Trip, and there's Repay You. My personal favorite, I would say, is Repay You. The backgrounds in that song are stupid, but yeah, mine is Repay You. I've been getting a lot of people saying that their favorite is Changes. So let me know in the comments down below which one you guys are feeling. I love all of the songs. They all came written by me, period. Let me put that out there, okay? But yeah, so let me know what your favorite one is. I'm in the studio right now to make sure I got some content done, because sometimes I can just get caught up with like real life that I forget, like, girl, you're a YouTuber, like you do this, okay? So yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little more. I hope that you're enjoying this video. Comment down below if you guys have tried this frozen drinks, and if you have, which one was your favorite. I could say personally, I think this pineapple one did it for me, honestly. But the strawberry acai one is good. I forget what this one, I don't know why I I keep forgetting, but this one, the mango, wait, was it this? Yeah, I don't think I like that mango one. But they didn't have the mango pieces, so maybe that could be like ruining it for me. I don't know. But yeah, so I just wanted to talk a little bit more. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. Gang Pop Out, period. New videos coming soon. Please follow me on social media. Everything you got, okay? Follow me on, because I got it too, period. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.